Your dreams are amazing. It's a moment in life where no rules apply. Anything can happen, which at times can lead to some pretty crazy experiences. You have around 5 dreams every night, but if I ask you to close your eyes and think about one of them, you likely can't remember it. Us humans tend to forget our dreams very fast. In fact, 95% of dreams are forgotten shortly after waking up. However, there are certain tricks that you can use tonight to remember your dreams with full detail when you wake up in the morning. This video contains a list of the 13 best ones, including one trick that will almost guarantee you remember your dreams tonight. Being able to easily recall your dreams is a very useful skill to learn. First of all, it's just a lot of fun to be able to remember the crazy experiences that you had in your sleep. Training yourself to remember your dreams will cause them to become more vivid and just better overall. Although these reasons are enough motivation to start using these tricks, there is another really important reason why you need to learn to remember your dreams. And that is because having a good dream recall will make it way easier for you to start lucid dreaming. If you want to learn how to control your dreams, one of the first things you need is a strong dream recall. And if you start using these tricks tonight, you will have just that. Of course, there are many other things to learn if you want to control your dreams every night. So if you're new here, make sure to subscribe so that you can start learning this amazing skill as soon as possible. Anyways, let's get into the list. Tip number 1. As you're falling asleep, repeat the phrase, "I will remember my dreams." This is the easiest trick in the book, but it works really well, because if you repeat the phrase enough, you are actually able to plant a suggestion in your brain that says that remembering your dreams is important, and your brain will make it its goal to do just that. Keep repeating the phrase until you fall asleep, so that it's the last thing on your mind before you slip away into unconsciousness. Number 2. When you wake up, don't move. Like I said earlier, 95% of dreams are forgotten minutes after you get out of bed. But if you stay in bed and close your eyes, you are able to extend that period and give yourself enough time to start piecing the dream together. While your eyes are closed, focus on the random thoughts that appear in your mind, as many of them are related to the dream you just had. Choose one thought and expand on it. After doing this for a while, you will slowly start recalling the dream in more and more detail, until it finally clicks and you pretty much remember the entire dream. Number 3. Write your dreams down in a journal. This is the most important trick on the list, and if you really want to start remembering vivid dreams consistently every night, you need to do the following. Get a journal and a pen and place it beside your bed. When you wake up in the morning, write down as many details from the dream that you just had. You can do this on your phone if you'd like. I prefer to use paper because I can add pictures and I also get distracted quite easily. But as long as you are able to record your dreams quickly, that's all that matters. If you write down your dreams first thing in the morning, they will stick in your brain and you won't forget them. The more that you write down, the more you will slowly remember, as your mind is subconsciously piecing the dream together. After a few days of doing this, your dreams will become extremely vivid, and you will be able to remember them in high detail. The hardest part about dream journaling is getting started. Many people struggle with recalling their first dream, and if that's you, the next trick I'm about to share is guaranteed to help you out. Number 4. Wake up in the night. If lucid dreaming was Minecraft, this trick would be an enchanted golden apple because it is just so overpowered. The main reason why it's so hard to remember your dreams in the morning is due to the fact that many of those dreams took place several hours ago. But if you set an alarm to wake up in the middle of the night at around 3 to 5 a.m., there is a good chance that you will wake up straight from a dream. This will cause the experience to be fresh in your mind because it just happened seconds ago. And you will have plenty of time to record all of the details in your dream journal before going back to sleep. If you don't like setting an alarm, then this next tip may be for you. Number 5. Drink water just before going to bed. If you drink enough water and then fall asleep, your body will naturally wake you up sometime during the night, which will usually be right after you have a dream. Once again, the experience will be fresh in your mind, and you'll easily be able to write down your most recent dream, use the washroom, and then return to sleep. The only downside of this trick is that you shouldn't do it every night, because it does interrupt your sleep. But overall, it is a great way to start building your dream journal if you usually don't remember your dreams in the morning. Number 6. Once you have a dream journal, carry it with you throughout the day. Doing this will constantly remind you to stay focused on your goal, and once you have enough dreams recorded in your book, you can start reading them every once in a while. This is really good for your dream recall, because it will strengthen the area of your brain that is responsible for remembering dreams. Another advantage of bringing your dream journal with you wherever you go is that there is a real chance that it will start appearing in your actual dreams, which could cause you to start having accidental lucid dreams. Number 7. Remind yourself during the day to remember your dreams. One creative way you can do this is putting sticky notes around your house in areas you frequently visit, like your room, your computer, or the attic, that say, "What did you dream last night?" Every time you look at them, you will try and recall the dream that you had last night. It may be hard at first, but over time, you will get really good at it. Number 8. Meditate before you fall asleep. Meditation is a great way to unwind and have a good sleep. Close your eyes for 10 to 20 minutes and relax, focusing on your thoughts. This will cause you to become more alert in the dreams that follow, which means that you'll be able to remember more details that you would otherwise miss out on. Number 9. Listen to binaural beats. These are special sounds that can change your brain state and affect your sleep, memory, and your dreams. For many people, this can be a very effective method for remembering dreams. You can find tons of free binaural beats here on YouTube. All you need to do is choose one, put on some headphones, and fall asleep. Number 10. Use lucid dreaming supplements. Studies show that many ingredients found in lucid dreaming pills significantly improve your ability to remember your dreams the following morning. My favorite lucid dreaming supplement is called Lucidesk, and I've made an entire video sharing my experiences after 7 days of use. If you're interested in trying it out for yourself, I've put a link down below in the description, and if you use the code Let's Dream, you will get 20% off. Number 11. Go to sleep and wake up at the same time every morning. Having a regular sleep cycle will drastically improve the quality of your sleep, leading to longer and more positive dreams. If you're not doing this, you definitely need to start now. Number 12. Don't use an alarm clock. If you really need one, choose a sound that is relaxing and slowly wakes you up. Recalling your dreams is a natural process, and if a loud noise interrupts your sleep, it will take your mind off your dreams and onto real life, causing you to quickly forget most of your dreams. And finally, tip number 13. Try something new. If all else fails, the problem might be caused by your routine, so try changing something. One good way to do this is by changing your sleeping position every night. Interrupting your normal routine will cause your mind to be more alert, making it easier for you to recall your dreams in the morning. If you are someone who can never remember their dreams, use these tricks tonight and you will start seeing results right away. If you have a question about any of these steps, leave a comment down below and I will definitely try to help you out. And of course, if you want to master lucid dreaming and control your dreams whenever you want, make sure that you subscribe to the channel because I have tons of videos that you can watch that will teach you this skill. And it would also really help me make more videos like this one. And as always, thanks for watching.